Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Airbnb password. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your Airbnb password. Maybe your Airbnb password has been compromised. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Airbnb. Then click on Profile on the bottom right hand corner. Then click on Account Settings. Then click on Login and Security. Now, towards the bottom, you're going to see Login Password. Click on Update and then enter your new password and confirm your password. When you click on Update Password, it is going to send you a verification code to confirm that it's you. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your Airbnb password. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.